Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. JFix, Laptopfix, Natsa, Silvio, Natsa. Thomas, good morning. Morning, guys. Another day. Reparatie iPhone, Natsa. Electrorep, Natsa. Good morning, guys. We have to do more repairs. Yeah, that's what we are doing. Good morning, good morning, Natsa. Did you look more at Dell? No. No. The coffee is good. The coffee is good. So we have left one laptop from the job lot, then we have two customer jobs. Real customers. Morning, morning. I know your name, Vasily. I know your name. Yeah, I think I got an email from you. One second, Vasily. Yeah, I found it. Let me check your email one more time. Oh yeah, with the CPU. You know what? I will do a video about the CPU. People are confused when actually 100 degrees the laptop CPU is perfectly fine. That's how they work. They are working. So that's not overheating. If you tell me, okay, my clock is supposed to be 4 gigahertz, and it's 2, then yeah, that's overheating. If you tell me you try to do something on the laptop and the laptop, you know, fan are spinning at full speed and shutting down, then that can be a very bad overheating. But most of the people they catch this because you see no air is coming out through the fans. So on that point, yeah, that's actually very bad overheating. Good morning. What's the time? The time is 40 past 8. Andrei Natsa, JGB Natsa, good morning, sorry. Uh, you have to you try to understand MOSFETs. MOSFETs are like switches, you know, the light switch? Yeah, like the light. You press the switch, the light is coming on. Press the switch again, the light is coming off. Do you have customers out of the UK? I cannot take jobs from outside of the UK. I do have requests. I have more requests from Europe compared with the UK, but I cannot take jobs from outside. It's just a mess. You send me a job, and what do you think it will happen? They will charge me. They will try to charge me custom fee. They will think, no one it will send you jobs here, so probably you bought it. If you bought it, you have to pay custom fee. So yeah, I have to email them and explain them and give them like proof, and it's just long. And not even counting, I cannot add insurance and file like a because I cannot send you the jobs back, your laptop back like that. I have to add some insurance, and basically no one is, or if they allow you to add insurance, is very high. The shipping is very high. It's just a mess. Hey, good morning. Coffee time. Just coffee, and we are starting the repairs. Janos, good morning. Sorin and Didi. Didi is with the dog outside. She's walking the dog every day. kind of strange because I'm the fat one. Claudio, good morning. I have a laptop with a dead chipset with a dedicated graphic card working. Um, I don't think you can. That chipset, that doesn't mean the chipset is not doing. It's chipset. You know what I mean? Basically, the chipset is doing the most operation on your laptop. It's like an interface between the CPU and the hardware. You're not fat, big boned. Yeah. Tell that to my wife. Huh? My net diary app? No, sorry, I didn't see that. Good morning. If I send you a package as gift, do you have to pay tax? No. If you write on it, it's a gift and you put a value, no. Your shop is within your house? Yeah. Yeah, this is the dining room. Yeah, that's a dining room which I made it like my repair room. Glisha, good morning. What happened to your solar panel inverter and battery? And yeah, it's all gone. I sold. I sold them all. It was a nice project, but you know what? This project cannot come to reality, as this is not my house, and I cannot do whatever I want. Andrei, now it's nu am timp. Am pianul, dar n-am mai cântat de ani de zile. Danny, good morning. Can you check the live stream settings and allowing to roll back? It's tricky because if I'm doing a mistake, like I'm showing like an email address, or on yesterday live stream, I show a private chat, a private Discord chat with George. I haven't edited the video because there was nothing secret there. But I'm just saying, if I do a mistake, I just want to take the video out. Did you remove the Google Drive link? I don't have a Google Drive link, so not sure what do you mean. I haven't shared anything. I know people are sharing stuff, but I'm not crazy to delete a schematic link. No. Good morning from Bulgaria. Good morning. I made some routes in Flux following your instruction. Not trying it? Yeah, try it. Sure, we're fine. Greetings from Poland. Good morning. Good morning from Sweden. Good morning. Jerry B. Good morning. Let's make some space. Good morning. Why you need gas inspection? It's like a law thingy. It's a must to have every year gas inspection. It's saying on the law. And the guy was here was like 1 hour, and he has a special tool. He check everything. He check the heater, the gas heater, the everything, the emissions and all the stuff. It's bullshit. What is bullshit? Actually, I'm quite happy about this because from my daughter room is like a small door, and there is the heater, the gas heater, and obviously, if anything goes wrong, bad thing can happen. I mean, I have a CO, carbon monoxide detector, but I'm not sure how much I should trust that detector. Zoltan, Moldo, morning, guys. Take your money? No, I don't pay anything. The owner of the house is paying, so I don't pay. I'm paying rent. Remember? Yeah, I remember I pranked that guy, but he's not that guy. It's not that guy. Rent is good, like 2K pound. Yeah, painful. Where in the UK are you based? 1 mile from M25, London, near Basildon. So what do we have here? We have a nice laptop. Check here, Ryzen 5 and Radeon graphics. Huh? It is a nice laptop. Acer. Huh? It is a nice laptop or not? This looks like brand new. I mean, it's all flexing. Check here. What is this? Yeah, Mike. Yeah, I heard the rent is cheaper there. Maybe I should move there. I don't know, but you know what? I'm so depressed in the last period of time because everything is going wrong in the world. And I seen yesterday on the news everything about the World War III, uh, Putin, threatening UK with atomic bombs and stuff. I even took my toy and I charged it. You can believe that. Because obviously we made plans. I made plans with Diana. Okay, if that happened, what we were gonna do and stuff like that. I mean, I'm probably scared. I mean, those people are not joking. Yeah. So I'm getting prepared for something like that. You can believe that? I mean, yesterday news was all only about this, about threats, and even they're saying like a nuclear bomb can make like 90 minutes from Russia to UK. Why are you in London? Good question. I'm not London. I'm next to London. I'm outside of London. So yeah, we are making plans. What we are taking with us, what we are doing. You have to take in consideration, the people are going crazy. They will kill. They will steal. In a case of something like that, then you have the radiation, and they actually described. If you are lucky and you didn't like the Russian, I don't know, some Russian guy who posts these threats, and they describe in details. If you are lucky and you didn't die from the blast, then the radiation, it will get you, and it's not like in movies. It's actually more worse. That's what he said. Proper depressing when you see United States. What did it's? I mean, United States and Russia. The two crazy things are going on right now. You are scaring us. You don't read the news. I mean, I'm reading the news from here, from the Windows. I have here. You just click here, and I can see the news. Yeah. Why afraid of dying? No, I'm not afraid of dying. With me? Come on, man. Afraid of dying. It's not about me. It's about my family, my kids. It's not about me. I don't care about me. I lived. It's about my family, of course. We all go there. Muno, you use exactly the same words. Some a lady from US, they were speaking about the AID cut, and she said, "Well, we all going to die eventually." That's what she said. To justify the cuts on the medicals for people. Yeah, funny. If you are from United States, you know what I mean. China won't let Russia use nukes. China and North Korea is backing up the Russia. What do you mean? That's why no one is doing anything like Europe or it's it's too big. Russia is not alone. You fight with Russia, you fight with China, you fight with North Korea. So I don't know what will happen, but it's just depressing. I swear. Maybe I should avoid watching news. Yeah, of course. I was there. I was 14 when the communist Ceausescu was shot, was killed. Sylvie, you don't understand. It's what I'm saying. We are more stupid compared like in the past. I mean, the more time is going, we are more stupid. I'm seeing stupid things there online. It's like we are going backwards. From some reason, we are going backwards, and I don't understand how this is even possible. Have you seen the riots on Paris? I seen some people they got killed on that riot a few days ago. Morning. I mean, Sylvia, if you have that age, you know how it was in the past, even on a, like a poor country like Romania. But now I'm not ashamed anymore. No, 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 no. When I'm seeing what's happening in the world, then no, no, I'm okay. Moldo, I definitely understand, but when you don't care. You have an age like Putin. He doesn't care. He knows, it's okay. So if I'm going to lose, then let me do how much damage I can. Okay, so you are older than me, Sylvia. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a laptop. Let's plug a charger and see what it's doing. Maybe we can fix it. Maybe not. And this is the Acer plug. Easy pizza today. Really doubt. I mean, these jobs was proper hard. You have to understand what a person with a job load is doing. He's taking the job load. He fix what he can fix. If he cannot fix them, they will sell as a job lot. Someone else will buy the job lot and so on. So yeah, all these job lots are hard. Yeah. $19 volts. Yeah, 3 amps is fine. Plug in the charger. Wait, I have the click from the power supply? No, it's not clicking anymore. Anyway, it's taking no current, pressing the power button, nothing happened. Never buy a job lot from Sorry. No, I'm not selling job lots. No. I'm not buying, I'm not selling. Yeah, okay, the battery is disconnected. I think we have this board for spares, if I remember. Yeah, we have a board like this. Oh, this is nice. We have two M2 slots. Okay, you remember this charging port? I told you it's tricky. So the charging port has a pin which it will sense if the charger is all way plugged in. No RAM? First we have to make the laptop coming on. Then we can plug a RAM. Good. So, checking the voltage on the charger, 19 volts. Like I said before, checking the pin on the charger and it's zero. Yeah. Or it's not that charging port, but must be. No, it's not that one. Oh, it is. Check that. Check on the screen. 5.7. You can see. So plugging the charger all the way in, and it's fine. So you can have a case like you have here. No, I can't do it anymore. That's crazy. Let me take a ground from here. You can have a case like this. So you have 19. You can see you have 19 here. But on this pin, you have like nearly 6 volts. And the laptop, it will not charge. If it's not charging, probably it is not coming on. So you have to pay attention on this type of charging port. Yeah. But this is good. So we have 19 volts. Then we have the first MOSFET, second MOSFET, current sensor, and on the current sensor we have 0 volts. This can be an easy pizza. Yeah, probably the BQ chip is here. Let's check. Let's check the main power rail. See if it's shorted. Zero ohms. Ha! Can't believe the last job is actually a easy pizza. I mean, yeah, the one with the RAM memory from yesterday, it was easy also. So what do you think about shorted main power rail? Zero ohms. Huh? What do you think? Say it. I want you to say it. Finally, we got like a shorter capacitor. Finally. Can't believe. I really deserve this job. This shorter capacitor. I really deserve it. Say hello to my little friend. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Easy pizza? Clearly. It's not MOSFET because we have 0 ohms. I mean, it can be like a short, but no, not on this one. Not on this one. No capacitor, no short capacitor? Ha ha. Yeah. So we have like 0.8 volts there. We have ground. Let me lower the current just a little bit. Yeah, like 2 amps. And we are coming with the current on the current sensor, this one. I mean, hopefully that's the current sensor. Yeah, probably it is. It's looking like a small resistor. Yeah. Wait, 1 second. What is this? So charging port, 1 MOSFET, then another MOSFET, then another MOSFET. Huh? 3 MOSFETs? Why you'll use 2 MOSFETs exactly in the same configuration? First MOSFET is a decoy. It's a trap. A reverse charging protection is this one, Sylvia. The voltage cannot go on this side. Can go on this side through the internal diode of the MOSFET, but not on this side. So actually this is the MOSFET cutting the power, but also this. Spare parts. Joseph, yeah. I want to see a brilliant mind on the chat telling me what the first MOSFET is doing. Why we have 1 more MOSFET? Exactly, JFix. It's not switching. It's just here you have the charging port. Here you have the USB-C power coming from the USB-C. Then the power from the USB-C is not going to the charging port. So yeah, that's why we have 1 more MOSFET, because this laptop has a A USB-C here. Yeah. Okay, let's find our short. So it's taking 2 amps. Come on, where is our capacitor? I mean, I know the MOSFETs. Let's raise the current. The voltage is going up. Like 2.8 volts. Huh? Why nothing is getting hot? I mean, how this is even possible? Wait a second. What is that? So actually, what is getting hot is the screen cable. Taking out the screen cable, coming with power on the same thingy. Is not short anymore. That's crazy. Check that. Not short. What is my easy pizza, man? Where is my easy pizza? What happened with the easy pizza? So basically, without the screen, the laptop is working. It become a difficult pizza. Plugging the charger is taking like 10 milliamps. Pressing the power button and the laptop is coming on. Yeah, we have no RAM memory. I don't think it's the screen because the resistance is very low. I mean, it was taking a lot of current, so probably the cable is shorted actually. Amer, what did I miss? Just, yeah, it was an easy pizza till like a few seconds ago. Can't believe. Even the last job is not an easy pizza. But it's no liquid damage, so how this screen died then? I can't see any liquid damage on this connector. So how the screen died? Or the cable? Blown fuse, no, it's shorted. Short. One of the pits looks cheap. Cheap. No, all pins are looking fine. No. Okay. Maybe someone tried to change? To change what? The screen? No, I don't think anyone opened this screen before. Check that is the... It's not. It's... No one opened the screen before. I think. I don't know. Let's open and check. So the frame is out. Cable looks fine. No, I don't think anyone opened this screen before. So how we are taking this screen out? You think it's stuck on the back? Yeah, it can be normal. The capacitor to have negative on one side and positive on the other side, compared with the ground. If you have like a differential power supply, yeah, you can have that. Or maybe there it's AC. A gummy tape on the bottom? You sure? Gummy tape on the bottom. There is no gummy. Nothing. No. Like chewing gum? No, nothing. No. Near the hinge? Yeah, I'm near the hinge. Here is the hinge. Nothing. You can see it? No, not on this one. 400 watching and 61 likes. Yeah, just press. No, we are not fixing anything. Now I want to see 400 likes. Come on. I mean, you know, I could do a video. We are doing live streams. Top? Top? No, he's not. No. It's like that. Let me take this cable out. Good. Hmm? Wait, give me 1 second. 1 second. Yeah, it's all good. We have the Wi-Fi antenna. This it will be hard to put the screen back. The Wi-Fi antenna is here, and I can't take out the Wi-Fi antenna. No, I can't. Remove the hinge. Done. Hello. Come on, guys, just press the like button. How hard is to press the like button? Maybe the our YouTube algorithm is doing some magic. It's not that hard. I always press the like button. I'm watching the video. I like the video. I press the like button. Okay, so the screen is out. We have the Wi-Fi cables. And the screen is still not coming out. That's crazy. It's freaking stuck there and I don't want to. Okay, let's take the hinge out. Lighter fluid. No, I don't have lighter fluid anymore. It's stuck to the LCD, yeah? Any pizza until now? No, we just started. It was a easy pizza till like few minutes ago, and the easy pizza just changed on. I don't know. I don't even know if you can fix this. If it's like a faulty screen, faulty cable. I mean, we can fix it, but it will be harder. Okay, now the screen it is coming out. Good. Good. Finally, no one touched this screen. Check there. No one touched it. It's untouched. So no one tried to fix it. Good. So what is the problem with this screen? Ha! I can see blow up things from here. What is that? Huh? What is that? Anyone knows? What is that thingy? Looks promising. Yeah, so basically the connector just exploded with no reason. I can't see any liquid damage here. No one opened, no one tried to replace the screen, nothing. So yeah, basically the connector just got faulty for nothing. What is that? Liquid damage. Okay. Okay, I take my words back. So actually these die by liquid damage. Another let's cut the cable and bridge. People knows me so well. Yeah, that's interesting. How the liquid damage got here? Proper interesting. I mean, I can't see any liquid damage on the screen or whatever. Nothing. It's all clean. Basically, it's liquid exactly here on the connector on the high voltage side. Proper strange, right? So how you will fix this? Easy. Another cable, another screen, and we are making no money. Probably the customer it will not want to fix it anyway, to replace the screen and the cable. Yeah. So we have to do it on our way. Condensation? Nah. Nah, it's too much for condensation. Okay, let's clean it. Okay, let's take out the thingy. I think we have 3 wires. Yeah, we have 3 wires to plus. So I will cut this. Yeah. Good. Is 1 pin missing? Yeah, we have 3 pins there. Is this customer a male? Maybe you want to wash your hands? Why? Do you think he pissed on the screen connector? Come on, it's just, you know. No, no way. You are thinking too far. Ah, come on, Amr. Don't say that. Don't say that. Basically, what you are saying, he tried to, you know, exactly on the screen connector. How? The screen was closed. You have the frame, you have everything. Come on. You guys have dirty minds. I mean, we can assume it's a nice customer by default, right? It is sticky. Aim, yeah, aim, yeah. That was the word I was looking for. You try to aim exactly on the screen connector. Hmm. No, by default, we are assuming the customer is a nice guy, right? So yeah, now we have the screen connector. So yeah, clearly we have that three wires, right? The pink ones. Three wires there. It's any point checking out, or we can just remove the. We can check here. Let's see. So this one, yeah, and this one, yeah. All three are the same. Good. So what we are doing, actually, we are cutting the wires down. Three wires. Good. 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 Perfect. So we have three wires. Yeah. Now we have to get rid of the of the pins of this connector. So that will be this pin. Okay. It will be this pin. Yeah. Not with the tweezer, but with what? With what, Sylvia? What you will use here? Huh? Mini drill. I'm not sure how can I use the mini drill here because I have to pull out the pins. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. I have to take the pins out. Yeah, like that, you see? Okay, so we remove the pins. It's interesting how we broke that thingy, the pad. Hmm? Yeah, three. These three. Yeah. Okay, so we are fine. It's okay, we have two pads. Let me clean it inside. Okay, it's looking bad. So what do we have inside of the connector? It is looking bad, check that. What is this? All burn. Like a big hole. It's okay. It's fine. No replacement connector. It's just, even if you have the connector, you'll take the risk to replace that connector. So basically, you have to come with hot air here. You'll take the risk to replace the connector. Nah. Even if you have the connector, it's not worth the risk. Good, so we clean it. We clean this thingy, which we can also take the pins out. I mean, it will make no sense because we don't have voltage there anymore. My tweezer is looking worse compared with the pins. Okay, let me find another tweezer. Another tweezer. I don't have another tweezer. Good. You know what? Just stay there. Yeah, it's fine. It's okay. We don't care anyway about that. Good. So the connector is plugged. We have 3 wires, which we have to solder them here. Perfect. Yeah, not an easy pizza. Yeah, it was looking such an easy pizza at the beginning. I can't believe. It was looking like the perfect job. Good. I'm not sure how I'll solder 3 wires there. I don't know. I don't even know why I want to solder 3 wires there when I can just solder one and it will be fine. But yeah. You know what? 2 wires are enough. Yeah, it's okay. Easy pizza. It's no easy pizza. solder iron. A driver has a message for you. Hi, all are arriving with your delivery soon. Please secure the pets if you have them and turn on the light. Okay. Good. So we do have flags there. Just a little bit of flags here. No, I'm not gonna solder. I don't even know why I'm soldering 2 wires actually. Solder one, it will be fine. Good. Perfect. And I have one more. Perfect. Yeah. Okay, one wire is soldered. Am I missing something? Where is that bridge which is coming over the thingy? That metal. It was a metal thingy coming here. You remember? I'm not crazy. And now you solder a wire and the other wires are getting out. Yeah, the story of my life. Okay, both wires are soldered. And I'm happy with that. Perfect. Good. So we have one wire left. This one. Perfect. We cut the wire. This is a ground thingy. Good. So what I will do, first I will test and then. Wait, someone on my door. 1 second. Yeah, Amazon. Let's test it first. Let's see if we still have short. Check the short first. Yeah. Checking for short. And it's not short. Plug in the charger. No smoke, nothing. Pressing the power. No, we don't have RAM memory. 1 second. Let me plug the RAM. RAM memory. Pressing the power button and the laptop is coming on. 1.2 amps. Come on, I fixed it. Why is not working? He's still doing the byte thingy? We have picture. That's crazy. Huh? We have backlight actually. Check that. Why is rebooting? Oh, no bootable device. It's working. I can't believe. Huh? Huh? Improved design. Yeah. 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 Hard pizza. I think the hard part is coming now because we have to put all back together. Yeah. Next. Time to next. Ha! To put all back together, it will be longer compared with what we fixed. Yeah. This is about it's about respect. You cannot just spam the chat if you have something to say. We have Discord, we have forum for support. You can ask there. I'm gonna use probably some hot glue. What do you think? Let Diana. No, it's too complicated here. I mean, Diana can perfectly do this kind of job, but she has to open in order to know how to put it back together. Remove that broken pin? No, that's fine. That's okay. Yeah, I know I need something. I know. Yeah, we need here to be flat. Perfect. Yeah, good. Brand new connector, yeah. I mean, I just want to see. The people on the chat are saying they will replace the screen and the cable. Because probably they are rich people. Mm. Or they are doing this for hobby. Yeah. Good. How much is a job like this? About like £100. Yeah, it's worth. It's worth. £100. You spend like probably like 1 hour. It's okay. £100 for UK. So basically, if you are from a different country, it's 4 pizza. So you have to think how much pizza is on your country. So this is like 4 pizza job. 4 pizza. Yeah. So think if it's worth for 4 pizza. I'm not taking 100. Don't no. I cannot take more than 40 for any job. So this will be like one pizza and a half for me. In India, it's 1 year pizza. What do you mean? So think, yeah, think. Okay, this job, this repair is 4 pizza. So how much is pizza on your country times 4? And that's the price of this repair. Small, medium, large pizza, like Domino Pizza. Domino Pizza is £25 here. That's how you have to put the problem to understand the repair price. Yeah, yeah. Australia is same like here. Because Gizmo, this is a job lot. Yeah, you have a job lot. You have to earn money, aka me, and the guy with the job lot has to earn money. You understand? So a business collaboration, it will work fine when everyone is making money. If I'm treating this customer like a normal customer, then probably he is making no money, and only I making money. So yeah. Domino is no pizza. What do you mean? Here it will be 30, 35 pound. 25 a pizza. Damn, I prefer a nice restaurant. You can't go on a restaurant without 200 pounds on your pocket. With 200 pounds, you get like cheap stuff. Yeah, so forget about the restaurant. You can pick up pizza. I mean, even if I'm going on TGA Friday, I've been there once, you still have to have probably like £100. In India, pizza starts from $3. Okay, so this job is $12. $25 a pizza in Uruguay? Really? Kind of expensive. Yeah. So that's how you have to compare. You know, I'm happy we sorted. I know for some people it looks expensive, but I'm pretty sure you don't pay £2,000 for rent. Right? Yeah. It is it is an expensive country, yeah. Wait, how the hinge? Yeah, like that. Hmm? Good. Apple Dash, thank you very much. Thank you for your donation. Thank you. Rudy, good morning. What you missed? You missed a easy pizza, which transform itself in a kind of like a hard pizza. Yeah, I know, Marcelli. I know. That's I said on the beginning why I cannot do something like that. I said on the beginning, if I'm sharing by mistake sensitive stuff, I can take the video out. Good. Pablo, thank you very much for the gift and member. Thank you. Really nice from you. So we fixed from the job lot. We have from the three boxes. We have four done. No, five. Yeah, five. That's mean I got £200 from this job lot, which decent money. I cannot complain. We spent some time, yeah, indeed. Well, we learn. What size is the pizza you talk about? Like large size, large pizza. Large Domino pizza is £25. I'm really sorry. I'm not a football fan. Steph, I'm not sure what you are speaking about. You know what? I never seen this connector before. Oh, oh lol. Okay, good. Not sure. Maybe there. Maybe not. Yeah, so that's the hard part. Good. So we have the Wi-Fi antenna, and we can close the screen. Radu, salute. Yeah, it is busy. Now people are getting crazy with the pizza prices. You know what? Depends. I mean, yeah, probably there are like bad pizza, even Domino. We have like a Burger King here in town, and it's proper bad. But if I'm going on the motorway, there is like a proper nice Burger King, like the taste of the burger. So I'm not sure how this is working, the franchise, but looks like the quality can be different. Good. So the one antennas are back. Let me take the front bezel. Huh? I forgot the screw, right? Hey, no one told me about this screw. I forgot to put the screw. Good. Like new. Good. Screen connector. Perfect. Hinge screw. Where are the hinge screw? It's here. Here. You people went crazy with pizza. Maybe we should not speak about food. Finally able to see a live stream? Yeah, just we're trying to do a few things here. But now I know, I got used. So now when I'm getting bored, and I have time obviously, starting a live stream, it's easy. Yeah, I can do it. I can do it. Good. Let's check one more time for short. Rename the channel Easy Pizza Repair. The main power is not shorted. No. Plug in the battery. Let's plug the battery. Plug in the charger. Charger is plugged in. Let's see it's charging. Oh, the pre-charge current 170 milliamps. CMOS battery. Thank you. What was that? I don't have enough current. Let's raise the current to like 4.7 amps. Yeah, CMOS battery. Perfect. 3.2 amps charging current. Ooh, quite high. Pressing the power button, the laptop is coming on. Let's wait. Current to fixed. We have picture, huh? It's working. Yeah. So we fix the screen. Don't forget to remove the RAM. No, I will not forget. Yeah, nobody will device. Check that. We fixed that. It was no easy pizza, but was a straightforward pizza. I mean, I could see this repair done from the beginning. So what do you think? Yeah, sure. Bandy. Yeah, sure. Ask. Yeah, sure. Just tag me in case I don't see your comment. What do you call a device like that to unlock the battery? You mean the NLBA? NLBA battery analyzer, yeah. It's a good device. About 40 minutes? What do you mean 40 minutes? Like 1 hour and 23. I can't shut down the laptop. Do you think actually the keyboard is not working? Why I cannot shut down the laptop? Holding the power button down. No, it's not working. Caps lock it is working. But why I cannot shut down the laptop? Go to BIOS menu. To go on BIOS menu, you have to shut down the laptop. Yeah, the laptop went off. Okay. It's working. It's working. Good. Testing with Windows. I wish you pay per unlock, not year subscription. Yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice. Restart my PC. What's wrong with it? Nothing. It's done now. It's fixed. And it's loading the Windows. My laptop had two Intersil chips heating problem. It was not starting. The repairman changed it. Now the PCH is little bit heating and the power consumption is 50 milliamps. Bandy, it's hard. I cannot tell you. The best what you can do is to go on our Discord and share the measurements, because we have like a path. Like, okay, first you share the coil measurements, you share what work was done. You shared whatever details you have. Then maybe someone can has same problem like you or can help you on our Discord. Yeah, we have 20,000 people there. Someone maybe probably has same issue like you. Yeah, you have on the description. You have on the description of any video or this live stream. On the description, you have. Even if you go on my website, you have a corner. You have Discord forum. So the laptop, it is working and charging fine. Good. Let me shut down the laptop. Yeah, that's Diana SSD. Perfect. But still, it's taking exactly the same amount of current, you can see. Yeah. So no matter if his laptop is on or off, the laptop is taking exactly the same amount of current. So most likely the laptop, it will limit the charging current when the laptop is on. Only 57 likes? Really? Come on. The people don't like my live stream? No, it's 283 likes. Yeah. Okay, seen it. Why Diana has M2 SSD not in laptop? Because I upgrade the storage of her computer. So I upgrade the storage and you have left the SSD. So I have this one for testing, and I have this one which we reviewed from Temu. You remember? Yeah, this one was cheap, like £30, brand new, something like that. Yeah, that's from Temu. Yeah, it's good. Hello from Germany. Good morning. Good evening from Australia. Check battery voltage, kind of pointless. We can see the current. That current is going into the battery. What is the screwdriver brand? It's Miniware. Miniware. You have the brand and the logo here. I can't show you, right? Yeah, Miniware, you can see? Yeah, that's a screwdriver. Okay, so we finished this one. We made £40. We made something. Good. Next, yeah. So this one is fixed. I finished the job lot. What I have left, it's a speaker, a big speaker. If you want to fix that speaker, just tell me. But right now we have some the real customer job. Yeah. Your RAM, oh, lol. I always forget, and I always lose RAM with the laptops. I forget the stuff inside. My RAM. Good. Yeah, I put the label on the laptop, so I know it's fixed. You should drill a hole in your RAM. Drill a hole and use a wire to attach to the bench, yeah? Answer? Janos, what you ask? Oh, okay. No, we don't have screws. No, no, no. You're so mean, Christopher. Okay, let me put some tape because this is like it's a real customer job and we have phone numbers and stuff. The jobs are coming from a local repair shop. Where is the tape? Here. Good. Okay, so the job is like that. The job, this is an Asus VivoBook. This laptop has a shunt. Anyway, the job is hinge a new fan. And they send me a fan to replace the fan. But I'm not sure about the hinge. What he means about the hinge. Oh, that's crazy. Check that. Check that. What is that? So what is the rule on this kind of repairs? Here the screw was too long. Here the screw was too long. And here the screw was too long. 1 second. Just got a package. Just got a package. What do you think it's on the package? I want to see on the chat. It's from FedEx. What do you think it's on the package? Food, Sergio. What do you think is on the package? I want to hear it. I want to hear it from the chat. What do you think is on the package? Capacitors. Pizza. What do you think? Shawarma. Biscuits. What do you think is on the package? What do you think is on the package? Ah, look, Sergio. No, someone said it before. 1 second. Yeah, Apple Dash. Yeah. Because, when you learn a lesson, you have to be sure it's not happening again. So I got brand new from Mauser BQ chips. So now when we have a problem, we know we have like a brand new chip. 10. Yeah, I said I will order 10. Yeah. Good? Good. We learn. Yeah, we learn from the mistakes. Okay, so the hinge is broken. Okay, what we are checking first? 10 ducts. Bruno, yeah. Thank you for the picture, Bruno, yesterday. I didn't see you on the chat after that. How much was the postage? Like £20? The price? The price for 10 BQ chips with postage with FedEx and custom fee, because they will charge you custom fee, it was like £3 or something per BQ chip. Over £3. £3.50, something like that. Turn it on. Yeah, that's what we have to check. We have to check if the screen is good, because we can have a surprise. So we need a charger. Actually, we can press the power button. Yeah. Yeah, we don't need a charger. The laptop it is coming on. And we do have picture. So the screen it is good. Or not. I don't think the screen is good. I mean, what is this? You have here. Wait 1 second. Hopefully it's not. Yeah. What is this? This the screen is not okay, right? It's not okay. Yeah, and we do have a user. No, the screen is not okay. It's not from the picture. It's not from the picture. It's not from the picture. Haha, the yeah. So yeah. 1 second. I'll show you. 1 second. Let me go on BIOS. Display flex cable? Nah, probably not. I don't think it's the display cable. I think it's the screen itself. F2. F2? Yeah. Yeah, check here, yeah? So you can see when I'm pressing here, you can see the... Probably you can't see it. Yeah, you can see it now. You can see it's lighting up? Yeah. But anyway, that's not our problem. Our problem is to prove actually the laptop has this issue from before. You know, just we don't want to be accused by the customer. We broke this thingy. Okay, good. Now we have to fix the hinge and we have to change the fan. Yeah, we're gonna use hot glue to fix the hinge. Yes. Yeah, of course. Of course. So today is Wednesday. Wednesday. Easy pizza. It's not that easy, but yeah, decent pizza. I would say decent one. A decent pizza. Good. So the laptop is open. Why do you want to replace the fan? What's wrong with this fan? It's not really making sense. Let me press the power button. Power button is pressed. Laptop is on. It's not spinning. It's not spinning at all. Oh lol. Okay. Good. So the battery is disconnected. And they said the heatsink, which is bent, and the fan. Good. So we do have the fan. Let's replace the fan quickly. Decent pizza, I mean, not Domino's. No, we are getting like one pizza and a half. You broke the hinge? I broke the hinge? How can I broke the hinge? We are here to fix stuff, not broke. Something happened, you know, bad things happen, can broke stuff, but part of the business. The fan. They put the fan behind of the battery. That's crazy. Dodgy people. Fan controller not working. Can be, Oli. But first, let's replace the fan and see if it's spinning. Yeah? If it's not spinning, even with a new fan, then we can focus on, on the problem. Good. So the fan is out. It is clean. I can't see anything dirty on the heatsink. It is clean. We have to put the fan back under the battery. Good. Perfect. You can test the fan? Yeah, we can test the fan. How we are testing the fan? How we are testing the fan? If you have plus and minus, you can test it. But here we have red and black. Now red is plus, yeah. Black, you can only hope to be minus. You have a surprise actually, and the colors is not what you expect. Let me lower the current. Good. Oh, you can't see, sorry. I forgot to, yeah. Can be PWM? Yeah, and it's fine. It definitely is PWM. And it's spinning. It's spinning at full speed and it's making no noise. We replace the fan for nothing. Spinning. Yeah. We replace the fan for nothing. You can believe that? This fan is working perfect. I was thinking, it's making noise, but it's not. So why we replace the fan? One second, where is the cable? No one told me. No one told me. Where is our fan cable? Order is order. Doesn't work like that. Order is order. I'm not sure if the customer ordered fan replacement, but the computer shop assume the fan has to be replaced, and they order the fan. So what's going on here? Why we are replacing a good fan? Bad 5 volts, rail on the mobile? Can be. We're gonna see in a second. Good. Okay, let's plug the battery. Let's plug the fan actually. Fan is plugged. We don't need the Wi-Fi antenna. Battery is plugged. Good. Pressing the power button and the laptop it is coming on. Let's check the voltage on the fan. Microscope. So we should have always 5 volts. 5 volts should be present always. So here we have 5 volts. Check on the screen, 5 volts. So basically the issue is the PWM signal. And the fan is spinning. That's crazy. Why we replace the fan? One second. We tried the same trick with the other one. So probably this fan. But no, the PWM signal is good. No. Because without the PWM, just plus and minus, the fan is spinning at full speed. Laptop disassemble. Like I said. Okay. What you said? The PSU may deliver more amps. Now, one second. Removing the fan. Connecting this fan. No. If you have like a 5 volts issue, that's I don't think. The fan is spinning, and it's spinning fine. So I don't know why we replaced the fan. I have no idea. No, it's spinning. But that's the job, you know. That's we are paying for. So we replace the fan. Let's fix the hinge. In order to fix the hinge, I think it's easy for us just to take the screen out. Weird, yeah. Yeah, strange. You know, I'm just assuming probably the customer asked for a fan replacement. Who knows, for some reason? I mean, some people, they think, oh, it's hot. They can feel it is hot, and the fan is not spinning. That means must be a faulty fan. When actually it's not. It's meant, you know, to start probably around 70 degrees, which is fine. Just because the fan is not starting earlier, that doesn't mean it's faulty. Good, so we have the screen. Perfect. So what we are doing here? The plastic is broken already. We have this thingy and this. And the hinge, it's gone. Check that. But you know what? These screws are still good. Here we have like 2 screws. Yeah. 2 screws and they are good. Fantastic. Let's open the screws. Now let's try to fix this hinge on. Actually, we can even lose the hinge. Perfect. That should be enough. So we need what we need. I think you have answer to that question. Check if the display issue can be fixed. Nah, I'm not going there. Nah, I'm okay. When you check if an issue can be fixed, you risk actually to make it worse. So I don't want to take this screen out. No. It's not the job. It's not, you know, for what the computer shop are paying us. So basically, we cannot do like free repairs. Even if I fix the screen, no, I'm not gonna be paid. I know what you mean. Let's be like, okay, let's go do like a good deed. But good deeds, most of the time, are ending bad. You have us to try to actually make the issue even worse. So why I should risk if you know, I have no reason. Good. So the hinge is fixed. I'm gonna use some hot glue here. Wow, even this one is dying. This hinge is dying also. Perfect. Good. Now we have this one. Easy pizza? Pablo, you are stuck somewhere with a text? I mean, I think I've seen your text like 10 times till now. You are stuck there? You think Pablo is a bot and, you know, got like a firmware issue? But how you repair this problem? No, you don't, Marcus. I'm not. Let's say you have a problem like this, you replace the screen. But probably the customer need to not agree with screen replacement because, you know, still working fine. You can still see pictures and stuff, so you're not gonna pay for that. I mean, the screen is still fine. You can even press the screen and make it working for a little bit more. Yeah, you've seen it. Pablo need a new BIOS? Possible. And we have one more from the same computer shop with no power. And if it your screen, not sure I understand. New RAM memory. Good, perfect. Wi-Fi antenna. Good. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. New BIOS uploaded. Good. Battery. Battery is back. Checking the hinge. Let's see if the hinge job is good. Laptop it is coming on. Yeah, we reset the BIOS, but the screen is fine. Yeah, it's working fine. The hinge is fixed, moving nicely. Yeah, all good. All good. Don't forget to take the RAM out. And you can see that thingy. And when I'm pressing the screen, yeah, it's going out. It's going out. Yeah, what we can do? What we can do with that? Perfect. So we earn a pizza and a half. Good. RAM. This is not my RAM. I can't put the screw here. That's all. One screw was missing. Yeah. Working fine. The hinge is fine. Everything is fine. Let me shut down the laptop. The laptop is off. And let me grab the other laptop. What's good is already dry. Yeah, it's like nearly instantly. It's getting dry. Never seen a blue one. What diameter of your hot air soldering head? Um, I have like this one, which is like this is like 8 millimeters, I believe, 8 millimeters. Then I have this one, which I believe this is like 5. Yeah, this is the most I'm working with. And the fan, I will give them back the fan. Good. So we have a job. We have a laptop, which is coming from a local repair shop. It's a nice HP laptop. Proper nice. People are stacking tape over the camera. And the problem with this one, not charging, 60 to 80. But I'm not doing motherboard repairs for less than 40. Yeah, so this job has to be 80. They have to pay 80 pounds. So yeah, if the customer is paying 80, that means I'm getting 40. Let's plug a charger and see what it's doing. Kind of oldish, but still a decent laptop. Oscilloscope, yeah, we can use the oscilloscope. One day I'll get pissed off and I will use only the oscilloscope because you can use it like a multimeter. So we have the blue pin, 19 volts. Good. Plug in the charger, and it's doing nothing. It's taking no current, nothing. Pressing the power button, nothing. Gabriel Mulțumesc. Okay, you know what? I have a question. Maybe here are, smarter minds than mine. If you'll be Sorin, bad button. Why is not charging if it's bad button? Huh? Why is not charger? Why is not charging? Barrel charging for damage? No, I don't think. Current limit is too low. Yes, I can see it. Yeah, it's flashing. You're right. I seen it flashing. Of course. Okay, 4.8 amps. Plug in the charger. I heard it click. It clicked. But it's taking 10 milliamps. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. But check that, it's like 10 milliamps. No, I don't have a current limit. Yeah, no power. Ilie, mulțumesc. Shorted motherboard? PD control. What PD control? We don't have a USB-C on this one. This is the old one. This is nice to be repaired. Okay, so I do have a question. Because I'm still confused and I don't know what to do. If we are doing the beginner tutorials, yeah, like, for laptop repairs, how I'm delivering the content to you, how can I do it? How can I do it? I want a smart mind here. Like this? No, I can't do it like this. The people are downloading the content. They are selling the content. And I'm not okay with that. Like I said, I seen a TikTok, Telegram. People are selling tutorials with my videos. So we can't do it like this. I'm seeing on YouTube people uploading tutorials with my videos. But on YouTube, I can see on the copyright claim and I can take them down. So how we can do it in a way, if I'm delivering free content, I don't want someone to steal it and make money with it. So that's my question. How we can do it? Make audio tapes? We can't do audio tapes. We have to do video tapes. You need on platform with controls. Doesn't matter what platform it is, the people it will record the video if they cannot download it. They will record it and they will sell it. Restricted for members, but even for members, they can still download it and steal it. Mr. Marionette. This is the internet? Yeah, Daftek, but I'm not happy spending my times, hours and days, creating some tutorials, which, and then someone, just download and they just sell it straight away. I'm not happy with that. You know what I mean? It's not worth. They don't care about copyright overlay. What do you mean? They will take it out. You can use AI to take the logo out on these days. What you want? Money? No, I don't want money. I want to be sure no one else is making money from my work. That's what I want. Physical class? Yeah, that's actually a very good idea. But how? I'm in UK. How can we do it? Physical class will be nice, having the opportunity to meet people. Fun every day. Thank you very much. Thank you for donation. Thank you. It's nice, yeah, but it's like it will never happen because we have people from all over the world. TeamViewer. People will record the TeamViewer. Build a platform dedicated. They will still record the videos. Watermark. They can easily take out that watermark. So no good idea, right? Yeah. Hard, huh? Yeah. Probably it's hard. We cannot do online things because people, they have work, they have jobs, they don't have time to be match all the people on the same time. So it's not. It just feels bad. That's all. Thank you, Rudy. Thank you. How we can open this thingy? One sec. I mean, this is supposed to come out, but it's not coming out. Yeah. You have to force it. Good. We have a normal hard drive. We have a fan. This is a nice old laptop. It's nice. Okay, let's plug a charger. Let's see what it's doing. Cost you a pizza opening the laptop. We should charge money for that, huh? So plug in the charger and it's doing nothing. Let's check the main power rail. So the voltage at the charging port is 19.8. So it's not the charging port. Prepare our little friend. So we have the first MOSFET. We have a freaking diode here. Remember, this is the laptop with the Zener diode on the main power rail. Yeah. 1 second. So, okay, we have the first MOSFET. Then we have the diode. Then we have the second MOSFET. So let's see. At the output of the second MOSFET, we have 0 volts. I say hello to my little friend. Diode. On the diode, we have 19. Wait 1 second. So the power is coming here. Then we have one MOSFET. Then the second MOSFET. But the second MOSFET is weird. I mean, the way how it's connected. So we have no voltage here and we have 19 volts here. And on the gate, we have 0 volts. Yeah. That's why it's not working. Let's check the main power rail to ground. Sure, Rudy. Sure. Unplugging the power. Checking the main power rail to ground. Check on the screen. 1.5. Okay, I'm not sure if this is a easy pizza. But the main power rail is shorted. So what do you think about this? When you see a short on the main power rail, you can assume by default it's a easy pizza. Right? Can we add CPU? Why? Because you've seen 1.5 ohms? Yeah, I was thinking the same. It's like, okay, sure, the capacitor has to be like 0 ohms, but 1.5 is a bad deal. Kind of, but we can have like a capacitor which has 1.5 ohms. The email address, Rudy, or if you go on the YouTube, you'll see about this channel, and there on the about this channel, you have an email address. Actually, let's come with the power supply. Place your bets. This is an old one. Yeah, I don't think it's a CPU. Actually, I think it's a capacitor with 1.5 ohms. That's what I think. Maybe I'm wrong. I can be wrong. Yeah. So we have ground and we have plus. Let me lower the current. And this taking like 600 milliamps. Yeah, kind of like high resistance. What is that? What is that? Oh, this is bad. It's a chip. Okay, no pizza. No pizza. You can take your mind out from the pizza. You can take your mind out from the pizza. Let's check the coil to ground. Coil? 0 ohms. 0 ohms. Where is my pizza? You see how the pizza can vanish in 1 second, like fraction of a second. Huh? Pizza gone now? Let's have a look what is there. Let's see, microscope. And what is here is this thingy. So, DevTech repairs, thank you very much. Thank you, I really appreciate it. Thank you. So here we have 0 ohms. On the main power rail, we have 0 ohms. We don't have 1.5. Oh, we do have 1.3. Okay, so the deal is like that. Probably the LDO is shorted also. We have 7 ohms. Probably this is providing LDO. Can be. So the deal is like that. If we are taking out the chip and thank you, Draco. I was reading your message. Thank you. If we are taking the chip and the short from the coil goes away, then we are moving forward. Yeah, we are trying to find from. We are trying to find another chip. Okay, that's the deal. If we are removing the chip and it's still short, we are like, yeah, no pizza. No pizza at all. And the chip is out. I'm not sure what chip is this. Let's see the coil. So the coil is not freaking shorted. That I can't believe. It's not shorted. Oh lol. Okay, we can fix this. Okay, the next step is you guys. Yeah, you have to help me and tell me what chip is this. What this is doing. MS. MS5. MS5 RG. What is this? I never seen something like that. What is this? Huh? Next to the Wi-Fi, yeah, next to the Wi-Fi slot. Main power rail now? Now probably it's not shorted. Yeah, of course it's not shorted. Main power rail now, not short. You see, not short. Double MOSFET? No, this is a chip. It's not a MOSFET. No chip, no shorted chip. No, it doesn't work like that. No. Doesn't work like that. Any idea what chip it is? Check the internal resistance of the chip. How can we check that? It was short. We checked it. It has 3 ohms. We checked that. The buck converter, yeah, obviously. Well, here we have 1.6 ohms. Here we have 0 ohms. Here we have 1 ohm. Yeah. Happy? It's gone, it's shorted. So what chip is this? CY8208. You sure this is the chip? 3.3? and doesn't have LDO. You can check, has LDO or not. Step down. Of course, it's a step down regulator. Okay, let's check together. Maybe you can find a data sheet on online. Copy. Probably not. Probably we can't find it, but yeah, we can try. Or we are doing some dodgy things, and we are installing that Chinese small power supply module. I found it. 1 second. PC screen. No, that's what LDO. 1 second. Pin number 5. Huh. Okay. Huh. Probably the AC chip is dead. Let's check pin number 5. So pin number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. Haha, 7.8 ohms. You can't see, sorry. No pizza. Nah, it's gone. Check here. Pin number 5, yeah? 7.8 ohms. So what do you think about 7.8 ohms? What do you think is shorted? Chip said, no, this is the LDO, which has 7 ohms. What do you think is shorted on the LDO? AC chip, exactly, AC chip. So if we are coming with the power supply, let me power on the thermal camera. Thermal camera, good. Ground. And I will use exactly same capacitor. And it's taking, check that, it's taking like 180 milliamps already. So rising the voltage. Rising the voltage is not, yeah, it is. It's not short anymore. 3.2 is not short anymore. I can't believe it was short. It was like 7. No, 40 milliamps is fine. You can't see. I know you can't see. Just check the current. I know. Check the current. I mean, I'm using exactly this capacitor, right? Where we had 7 ohms. So if we are checking now with the multimeter, and we have 21 ohms. Wait, it's still shorted. 21. I know the current went up. I know, I seen it. So one more time, coming here, 80 milliamps, 60, 200, 500. Why is changing like that? This is the 3.3, and it's fine, it's not shorted here on the big 3.3. But the LDO, it's weird. Now I have nothing. 60, 70, 180. How this current is changing? Hmm? 140. I mean, it can be this capacitor, can be. Hmm? 60 milliamps. $130. Where is the EC chip on this board? It's on the other side, right? Yeah, it must be on the other side of the board. How we can test it if the AC chip is good? There's nothing what we can test. It's like 30 milliamps. It's right. But it was taken, like Maz is saying, it was taking 500. I don't have a second power supply because if I will have a second power supply, I can come with 19. I can use the battery also. Wait a second. So battery, let's see if we have voltage on the battery. Probably not. How we can have voltage on the battery? Use Chinese LDO. I can use a Chinese LDO, but what I'm doing with the coil? Because on the coil I need 3.3 also. Hammer time. How the EC chip, Alessandro, can charge the battery if the LDO does not work? We don't have 3.3. Use normal charger. I can use normal charger, but how can I see if it's working if I use normal charger? I have to see the current. Let's see, it's charging the battery, it's not charging. Change the MOSFET. What MOSFET? There's not a MOSFET, it's a chip. Be careful with double 8. Oh, okay. Thank you. Disconnect all cables. It's not making sense. We're speaking about the LDO power supply, which it's used for the AC chip. Normal charger plus 3.3. Okay, let me grab a normal charger. Okay, I don't have a normal charger. This is HP. For me, it's no reason to keep a charger. It's not shorted. What do you mean short? You come here with a... You see the short on the power supply. You don't need alcohol. You don't need alcohol. Check that. 30 milliamps. You don't need alcohol. It's not short, it's 30 milliamps. Let's try to charge the battery. Yeah, let's charge the battery. On the battery, 1 second. Battery. Little bit of current. Here is ground. So here is plus. And it's taking nothing. Yeah, we have 11 volts on the battery, and the battery is charging. Rising the current, rising the voltage. Yeah, let's charge the battery a little bit. Come on, just stay there. Okay, I'm gonna hold the probe here. Take off the screen ribbon. How that can help me if I take out the screen ribbon? How that can help me? What is the point? You can't do random things. You have to have like a logic behind them. What have to do the LDO with the screen ribbon cable? I'm just saying, it has to have some logic behind in order to do something. Laptops, yeah, that's what the customer is saying. No charging, and his laptop is like half dead. Alex, thank you very much. Thank you for the donation. Thank you. Yeah, they're trolling. No, I don't think they're trolling. A lot of people, they try to, you know, give away their opinion, and it's okay. It's fine. So we charge the battery. Yeah, we charge the battery. So the main power L voltage is, let's see. Wait, this is the power supply. The main power L voltage is 13.3. Okay, good. Let's see if the laptop is coming on. If I'm coming with the LDO from the power supply, like 3.3. Yeah. So 3.3. I need a good ground. I need to press the power button. Power button, which is here. The power button is here. Good. So how we know if the laptop starts? We don't. We shall see the fan spinning. Let me lower the current. Yeah, we don't need more than that. Good. So it's taking 30 milliamps, 20, pressing the power button, and nothing happened. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. No, I think the ECGP is dead because we've seen a lot of current at the beginning. No, it's doing nothing. And the battery is out. 1 second. $30 milliamps, pressing the power button. I mean, even the EC chip, it's, the current is supposed to goes up, but it's not going up. Don't know. The laptop is just dead. The EC chip is dead. But you have low volt. I have the right voltage on the battery. This battery voltage, 14.8. You think actually the battery voltage is low? Okay, let's charge the battery more. Rising the current. Yeah, 3 amps. Good, 3 amps. Okay. But Christian, what should I check with the thermal camera? We have no short. I don't understand. To check what with the thermal camera? We don't have a short here. 30 milliamps, that's not a short. Let's charge the battery a little bit more. I can feel the battery is getting warm. So we charge the battery. Good. 3.3. I mean, indeed, we don't have the big 3.3 on that coil. But the laptop should start. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. Yeah, okay. So let's come with the 3.3 on the big coil and on the capacitor. Wait. Yeah, okay. He's finished. It's nothing what I can do here. He's gone. Yeah. The customer can buy another laptop. Paul Daniel, hello. Hello. No pizza this time. No, nothing. Time to upgrade the laptop here. I mean, he has a hard drive. He can, take his data out. Sometimes we can fix stuff, sometimes not. This one, no. Why not? Because we have a burn chip, we have a shorted 3.3 big power rail, we have a AC chip which is not responding. Yeah, that's why. And the worst case scenario, the customer want this repair, then a motherboard probably is like 20 pounds for this one. Yeah. You can replace the motherboard. Well, I will leave that to the computer shop. If they want to order the motherboard and replace it, this is a cheap motherboard. And it's a old laptop, so they can find it easily. Happy to see Paul here. Paul Daniel, he's doing live streams with MacBooks. I checked, probably was last week, the live stream, or but it's nice to see people doing live stream repairs. I wish to see more people doing live streams because on the same way I just just leave the live stream on the background and I'm doing my things. Actually, yeah, Paul. I did on the last day's live stream, and I had a lot of help, like schematics, like board view, like opinions, yeah. And you know, someone else's opinion matter. Yeah. What is the channel? Paul Daniel. Just click on Paul Daniel, and you go to his channel. Guys, I think I'm gonna stop here. I finished. We have left a speaker, but probably I'll do a video about that. Yeah, the speaker is long because it's big. I cannot fit it here on my desk. Yeah, I'm hungry. I need my biscuits. Yeah, I have to take and go my biscuits and a cigarette, of course. Yeah. Job lot is done. Yeah. Apart from that speaker, yeah. We made £200 from the 3 boxes with laptops, which is decent. It's okay. Okay, guys. So thank you for being here. I'm really grateful for the help from the chat. I will stop now, and I'll try to upload some videos because I haven't uploaded any video, and I'm pretty sure there are people they are looking for videos, not live streams. Good. If not, I will see you Sunday for a coffee. Yeah, like usual. So thank you, guys. Yeah, have a great day. Bye.